azi kakhulu la sikhona njengamanje i71% yevoters ama-voters turnout bantu bavotela umkhonto wesizwe endaweni yaseMlazi. So baphethwa amakhansela ongawona we-MK, baphethwa umasipala ongasiwona we-MK, i-province ongasiyona we-MK. So kuzokwenzakalani ezweni? Sizothi-ke nanso i-government of the people by the people isiyo lesikhona manje. Abantu abathathe amandla babeke ezandleni zabo. Kunesiqubulo esisithathile sithole kwenye indoda endala siyadlula emhlabeni uDr. Miles Monroe ethi we are turning every follower into a leader and every leader into an agent of change. So how to make every follower yomkhonto wesizwe must become a leader. That's what we are commanding to the forces on the ground now. Sithi kuma community policing forum umkhonto wesizwe must be visible. Sithi kuma healthy community health workers abantu bomkhonto wesizwe abasebenza lapho they must serve our people ngenhliziyo zabo zonke. Sithe ikoleni othisha abafundisayo uma ngabe nje wawuvotela umkhonto